Super Brothers, here to save the day. Plumbing, remodeling, HVAC will make it okay. Trust us, California, we've got your back. Save your time and money, we'll handle the rest. Oh yeah. Easy solutions, that's what we bring. Super quality, it's our main thing. Safety and peace of mind we provide. Super Brothers have the superpower to make your home smart. Oh yeah. Don't worry, we'll fix the leaks and the pipes. For all your heating and cooling needs, we'll make it right. Make it right. Super Brothers, the heroes you can rely on. We'll update your home, make it the smartest one.